we are waiting for the bus to stop here. Then I moved, then he was doing like that.
Ayan. Akala niya yung bus, sasakay kami. Hinintay pa kami. Ayan. Ito po yung metro dito sa Battersea Steels. Dati po ito Shoppers ba? Basta ngayon metro na. Ayan. Bibili kami ng almond milk ni Joe. Ngayon gusto niya ng almond milk. Gusto niyang maglibot-libot. Shoppers. Kahit saan. Gusto na niya. Interesado na siya. Wow! Flowers, hanging basket. Ayan, alaman ito sa harapan. Ito. Ayan talaga nakita nila. Pasok na tayo. Ito si Metro, yan. Yan, masaya siya magliwaliw. Gusto niya.
Blueberry. Some peach. Apple. That's your apple, don't you? Ew! Apple.
Pineapple.
Green apple. Red. Yeah, that one. That is yellow. What's this?
Apricots.
Apricot.
Apricots.
Apricot. Ow! Broccoli. That's a potato. That's celery. What?
Leeks. Oh, pag-leeks na.
It's a and tomato.
Ano yan? Kailangan mo?
Is that lettuce?
That's it. No. That's spray pang-spray. Kaya makulit mo. Kaya makuti-kutin. Ano na, apo.
Another pill. Hey, what's this?
Pears. Same thing. Pears. Brown pears.
Brown peas, so
Brown. This is green. Green and the brown. Pears.
brown. What's okay?
Ano to? Anong tawag nito? Ano to? Ano to?
Avocado.
Avocado. Good job.
Good job.
You get the sticker? Ano to? Okay.
That's a
What is
plum.
Plum? No, I think it's nectarine.
Show
It's not a... Oh, peach. 3 refined peach.
Hey, where are you going?
Oh, ito yung plum. This is plum.
Ito yung plum.
Yeah, ito yung plum. Yeah. Ito yung plum. Ito yung nectarine. Yung ano yan. Oh, what is this? Joel?
What's this?
Mango.
Mangoes. Mangoes.
Mango. Lahat to mango. Lahat ito mango. Mango. Indian mango.
Mango.
Red mango.
Very nice yellow. Mango. And that one. No, there was
Saan? Onion.
Hey, what's this? Hey, what's this?
You know what is that? What's the name?
No, that one is
Ano to? Anong tawag mo?
this.
Tomato.
What's this?
Kamatis.
What's this?
Tomato.
What's this?
Kamatis.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato. That one is tomato.
Yeah, that's tomato. Kamatis in Tagalog.
Hey, what's this?
Grape. Grape tomato. Yung maliliit siya. Maliit na tomato. Grapes tomatoes. Broccoli.
Anything else?
I know. Oh,
You want salad?
I want it. I want it. It's okay.
Ayan, nagpa-part-time ka na naman, anak. Ha? Sweet potato, kamote. In Tagalog, kamote. This is kamote. Can you say kamote? Kamote.
Kamote.
Yeah. Sweet potato in English. English.
Oh, this is almost something there. Hey, what's this?
That's a potato. Fried potatoes. Patatas. Potatoes. Patatas. Saan ka pupunta pa?
Some sugar.
This is organic garlic. Mixed garlic. That's cabbage. Sausage. Give it to daddy. Kosher. This is kosher. Kosher. Masarap siya.
Nuts
Miss ko na.
again.
No, I want this.
No. No, let's go. Let's go.
No, I want to eat this one. I want the
No.
sausage.
Let's go.
Gusto ko. Gusto kong kainin yun.
Vegetables are here. Wow.
Yeah, may pangkasal oh. Pandesal. Pilipino pandesal. 349. Milk bread, 389.
Brown?
You want it? No? Take it if you want it. Take it if you want it.
Lemon.
Maybe I want chocolate. Maybe.
Lemon?
Malamog mo, kita anak ko ang aircon. Diyan ka. Diyan ka. Uy, masarap ito. Anak ko. Wow, this Ito, bagel. Sarap ng bagel to. Plain bagel. Ay, whole grain. Sesame seed. Be careful. Ano yan? Yeah, this one. Bread. Masarap to, healthy to, whole grain. Natin na matukan. Oh, this is muffin.
No?
Yeah, muffin.
No.
That's muffin. A fun. Muffin, man. Oh, it's candy. Sticky one. Cherry. Candy sticks. You like that? Candy sticks? Candy sticks?
Yeah. On stick.
One boy, under the no box na ito, magaburang kat
What's called
corn.
this? What
Baby
is
corn.
it? That.
Here,
You
baby
know what?
corn.
What's called that? This?
Baby corn.
The baby corn. Baby corn.
That's baby corn. Be careful.
Baby corn. Oh, baby.
There, grapes. Sarap yan. Black grapes.
That's a baby. The baby's honestly.
Vinegar. Seafood soup. Yan, mga isda. Tilapia. See the tilapia? Frozen tilapia na. Frozen na ba?
Yeah.
Ayan. Mga wakan, anak ko, don't touch it. Don't touch, please. So na si daddy mo. Bali, ano na ngayon? Mga 10 o'clock na ata
Colors.
ng gabi. Nandito pa kami sa
Okay,
labas.
the
Nandito kami sa
colors.
metro.
Colors.
Colors daw yung ano. Kosher. Ano yan? Lemon, garlic, citron.
Colors.
Hmm?
Yeah, the orange and purple and blue.
This is
and
for
yellow,
Jewish. Anak ko,
green
pagkain ng mga
and
Jewish
red
dito.
and tiger and green. It's the
Pagkain ng mga
orange color.
Jewish. Kosher yan. Kosher. Sana siya. Here, daddy. Oh, man. Joel, come here, ah. Ano ba? Binalibag, man. Hindi ko alam kung paano solo to. Let's try.
Car.
Go there. Daddy is waiting. Come on. There. Come on. Halika, tignan natin yung fish cracker mo. Let's check your fish cracker. That's basil. Basil? What's this? Black garlic.
Black curry.
Reso. Yeah, reso.
Black curry.
Oh, this is Himalayan.
Himalayan.
Himalayan pink salt. Healthy daw yan. You want cotton candy? It's cotton candy. No, you cannot tell. Matamis, masira yung ipin mo. Okay? Mga cookies. Maghulog mo na ano. Pick it up.
Well down.
Hi. Ano, tingmarahin mo. Halika na. Makulit talaga. Oh, what is this? Real malo. Real malo. Banana. Matamis. Real malo. Banana.
Please stop bringing your items to the front of the store or one of our cashiers will help you out with your purchase. Once again, the time is now 9:45 and we'll slowly closing in 15 minutes. Thank you for shopping.
Yan, dito po yung ano, Asian store. Dito po area ng Filipino. Wala naman pansit. Wala naman pansit. Walang pansit. Ubus na. Gusto niya. Where is staying?
Okay. It makes
Ayan, uwi na kami. Gabi na. 10 o'clock na ng gabi. It's dark na. Okay, bye-bye, Metro.
This time.
Ayan, yan ang Metro dito sa Battersea Steels. Go straight.
Paul.